Hi, my name is Alyssa, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the legal differences between a mortgage broker and a mortgage banker. This topic is important because both play a big role in the lending process, but they don't actually do the same thing. Understanding the difference matters, especially for everyone going into real estate or mortgage lending, because it affects how loans are handled, who takes on the risk, and how borrowers are guided through the process. A mortgage broker is basically a middleman. They don't actually lend money themselves. Instead, they connect borrowers with lenders and help find loan options that fit the borrower's needs. They earn money through commission, not from the loan itself. On the other hand, a mortgage banker is the actual lender. They use their own funds or money from a credit line to fund the loan. After that, they can either keep the loan or sell it in the secondary market, often as part of a mortgage-backed securities. Legally, this is where the big difference comes in. A mortgage broker acts as an agent, meaning they arrange the loan. A mortgage banker acts as a principal, meaning they are directly involved in funding the loan and taking on the financial risk. This system exists to make the lending process more efficient. Brokers help borrowers shop for loans, while bankers provide the actual funding and keep money flowing in the housing market. I came across this research article by Green and Watcher called The American Mortgage in Historical and International Contexts. Don't worry, I won't make you read it. I learned how the mortgage system in the United States developed over time and how lenders, like mortgage bankers, play a key role in funding loans and selling them in the secondary market. This helps spread out risk and allow more loans to be created. In a research paper titled The Impact of Mortgage Broker Use on Borrower Confusion and Preferences, explain how mortgage brokers influence borrower decisions. It shows that brokers act as intermediaries and can guide borrowers through different loan options, but they don't actually fund the loan themselves. This really helped me understand the difference between arranging a loan and actually providing the money. Overall, the research made it clear that while both roles are important, they serve very different purposes in the lending process. In real life, this affects everyone involved in the transaction. Mortgage brokers help borrowers find the best loans, especially if they don't know where to start. Mortgage bankers take on more risk because they are funding the loan, but they also have more control over the loan process. For borrowers, this can affect how much guidance they get and how their loan is structured. For the housing market, both roles are important because they keep loans available and support homeownership. In conclusion, the main difference between a mortgage broker and a mortgage banker is that brokers arrange loans, while bankers fund them. This distinction is important because it affects risk, responsibility, and how loans move through the market. Understanding this helps future professionals make better decisions and better service their clients.